In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can pay a ticket online in Ontario. So you want to go to www.paytickets.ca. From the drop down here, you want to select your payee. So this is the court in which your case will be here. So in my case, it's Orangeville. So this is the location which your case was here. So mine was in Orangeville. Then select continue. So here we're selecting this option that says Provincial Offences Act ticket, right? Then select next. Here you need to enter your offense number. It's a number that is located to your top left of the ticket. So you may see an offense number like it's 4 set of numbers. So it is the last one with the hyphen, and you're not going to specify the hyphen in the ticket number. So the offense number has 8 digits in it, right? That is the one. So you're here, you're going to select continue. Select the date of infraction. So your offense date is at the top of the ticket. So once you enter the offense date, you will see the total amount payable and then select continue. Confirm the details of your ticket and then select confirm. Scroll down and enter your payment details and select pay now. Once you enter your payment details, select pay now. Select OK. And that's it. I have successfully completed the payment. So you can scroll down and download the receipt. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.